Your PC might already have hidden malware slowing it down. Let me show you how you remove it without installing anything. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to find and remove hidden malware in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer, and no third-party antivirus needed. So firstly, we will open the Windows security, which is there at the right hand side extreme bottom where you have the shield icon. And I will also tell you one bonus tip. Apart from Windows security, you can do another scan which is very helpful. So here, to check these scans, we will do a quick scan and full scan. So here, virus and threat protection under home, we will click on that. And here we have this quick scan. So you can do a quick scan, and if you have time, you can do a complete full scan, which you will get right here under scan option, and you can select full scan. Right, you can try that, and this will run in the background. You can do your work whatever you want to, and this scan will be running in the background. So that's a good thing. Now the next thing which you can do is you can run Microsoft malicious removal tool, and to open that, do a right click in the start icon, click on run, and type MRT. M as in Mike, R as in Romeo, T as in Tango. So I'll maximize it so that you can type it MRT, and we'll click on OK. And it says I'll click on yes, and very soon we will have a new window. So it says Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. You just need to click on next. Here as well, you can get quick and full scan. So depending on the time you have, you can go with the quick or full, and this will scan the entire system if you do the full scan. And in quick scan areas will be system most likely containing malicious software. So you can try that, and it is really very good, and it doesn't take much time. Right. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care.